Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you how you can install the Netflix app on your Samsung TV. So first of all, turn on your Samsung TV and then go to the Play Store or App Store and press the Smart Hub button for a Samsung TV remote. And if the Netflix app isn't already on the main menu, do that and download the Netflix app by selecting the app from the search results and choose install to download and install it on your TV. So basically, most of the Samsung TV actually comes with the Netflix app built in, but if yours doesn't have the Netflix app, you can follow these steps. So then you can install the downloaded app to your TV, and after installation you have to open the Netflix app and sign in using your Netflix account email address and password. And let me give you some information. If you can't find Netflix, ensure your TV is connected to the internet, that you have updated the system software. That means the system software is up to date till now. And then if the Netflix is not available, if your TV's smart platform might not be supported by Netflix, or the app might have been hidden from the quick access, you have to find that. And if you encounter an error, you can check your device compatibility with Netflix, ensure your device is play protect certified, and try restarting your device according to Netflix. And you can also contact your Samsung customer care and tell them your problem, and they will try to fix the problem. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it informative. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Till the next video.